Let's be real for a second. Professional AI video tools can get crazy expensive, right? You're always counting credits or dealing with these super complicated platforms. But what if I told you there's a secret way to tap into one of the most powerful video models on the planet for free? Well, in this explainer, we're going to show you exactly how. And I promise you, that is not clickbait. This is a total game changer. Google has quietly opened the door for us to generate a whole bunch of videos every single day without spending a single penny. This is the secret we're about to unlock together. So here's the plan. First, I'm going to pull back the curtain on that free AI video secret. Then, we'll walk through the super simple first-time setup. After that, we'll get to the fun stuff, creating videos from just text and even animating your own images. And to wrap it all up, I'll share some key pro tips so you get perfect results every single time. All right, let's dive into section 1, the free AI video secret. So the tool we're going to be using is called Opal AI. Think of it as a gateway, a special entrance to some of Google's most powerful models. And trust me, it's completely changing the game for creators like us. And here's the kicker, the thing that makes this so incredible. The model you get access to is VO 3.1. This isn't some watered-down free version. This is one of Google's top-of-the-line video generation models. Opal AI is basically just letting you use it without all the usual costs and waitlists. The benefits here are just fantastic. I mean, first off, it is absolutely free. The video quality is amazing, and you can forget about confusing credit systems. It works on your phone and your computer, and hey, for all of our viewers in India, you don't even need a VPN. It's just so easy to get into. Okay, let's get you set up. This is our second section, your first time setup. And don't worry, this isn't going to be some long, complicated process. You'll honestly be up and running in about a minute. Getting started is seriously so easy. Just pop open your Chrome browser, type in Opal AI Google, and click that very first link. You know what? To make it even simpler, I've put a direct link down in the description for you. From there, just sign in with your Google account, and bam, you're in. Now, hold on. If you're doing this on your phone, this is a super important tip. The whole thing just works so much better in desktop mode. Just tap those 3 little dots in your Chrome browser and check the box for desktop site. It rearranges everything to look just like it does on a PC, and it makes it way, way easier to use. Now, it's important to understand the limits. While some people are calling it unlimited, there is a daily cap. You can generate about 10 to 12 videos every day with one account. But let's be real, for most of us, that's more than enough to turn out some seriously awesome content. Okay, moving on to section 3. This is where the real fun starts, creating a video straight from a text prompt. And we're going to focus on making a YouTube short, since that vertical format is just everywhere right now. So our goal here is simple, but it's really powerful. We want to take a simple text description and turn it into a perfectly formatted 9:16 portrait video, totally ready for shorts, reels, or TikTok. So once you're logged in, go ahead and hit that Create New button. That takes you to the main screen. Now look over on the right in the Agent section. You'll see a little drop-down menu. Make sure you select the VO model. Then click on Advanced Settings to unlock all the good stuff. Inside those advanced settings, there are 2 really critical steps. First, under Model Version, make sure VO 3.1 is selected. Second, and this is the key for YouTube Shorts, change the aspect ratio to 9:16. Once you've done that, you're all set to type your prompt describing the video you want to make. Now, you might be looking around for a big Generate button, but it's a little different here. To actually get it to start working, you need to go to the Preview section up at the top. Once you click that, a Start button will pop up. Just hit that and the magic begins. After a little bit, your finished video will appear on the right-hand side. You can play it right there to check it out. If you love it, just click the 3 little dots to download it. And if you want to see it bigger, the App button at the top will open it in a nice full-screen view. It's as simple as that. All right, you ready to level up? In section 4, we're going to tackle the advanced workflow, how to animate your very own images. This is where you can get seriously creative. So you might be wondering, why bother with this more complicated method? Well, because this unlocks the tool's full potential. The simple method is totally fine for basic videos, but this advanced workflow is what gives you control over custom sizes and lets you bring your own images to life. So to switch from text to video to image to video, you'll first go to the User Input option. This is going to create a new little block in your workflow. Then, just like before, open its advanced settings, but this time, you're going to change the input type from any to image.
Okay, pay really close attention here because this is probably the most important step in the whole process. You'll see you have two separate boxes now. You need to physically connect them. You do that by clicking and dragging the little circle from the user box over to the generate box. This is what tells the AI, hey, use my image as the starting point.
So let's run through that whole sequence. First, connect the boxes. Second, you have to hit the little restart icon at the top to make sure the changes stick. Third, type in your prompt describing the animation you want. Fourth, click the little plus icon inside the user box to upload your picture. And finally, hit the arrow button to generate your animated video.
We are almost at the finish line. For our last section, let's just go over a few pro tips. Think of this as a final checklist that will save you a ton of headaches and help you get those perfect videos every single time.
Okay, let's review the golden rules. Always, and I mean always, hit Restart App before you start a new video. Always make your prompt changes in that main step section. Always double check that your little boxes are still connected, because sometimes they come apart. And finally, for the best results, make sure the aspect ratio you pick actually matches your original image. So what's the big takeaway here? By following these steps, you get free access to a tool that can pump out up to a dozen high-quality, professional, and totally watermarked-free videos every single day. I mean, that is just an incredible amount of value for any creator out there.
You officially have the keys to a powerful video creation studio that lives right inside your browser, and it costs you nothing. The only limit, really, is your own imagination. So the real question is, what are you going to create first?